Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Rethabile, but I'm known as Rethabz. And happy new year, guys. Happy new year. I know that I went AWOL on you guys, but now I'm back, even though I'm having a flu, but it's fine. So I just hope that you have enjoyed your festive season, guys. So in today's video we are going to create this step-by-step super affordable makeup tutorial for beginners, guys. As you can see, I'm looking so amazing. I cannot wait to do this tutorial with you guys. So, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. So without wasting any more time, guys, let's get straight into this tutorial. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Okay my loves, please don't mind my voice. I am having flu at this current moment. So we are first going to start with our eyebrows, and the first product that I am going to use is this brow bar from Signature Cosmetics, and I'm going to spray it with the setting spray. It's the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray, just like that, just a little bit. And I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush my eyebrows. I like to go at the opposite direction first and then shape them. Then I set my eyebrows with the setting spray. Is the Revlon Candid setting spray. Is the number 2 one. I go with this eyeliner from the Chinese stores. I'm going to use these two LA Girl concealers, the Fawn and Chestnut, to define my eyebrows. So now I'm done defining my eyebrows and setting my eyelids. So now I'm moving to foundation. I'm going to first start with the primer. Today I'm using the Rimmel London matte primer, and I'm going to set afterwards with the Rimmel London lasting finish fix and go setting spray. Then the foundation that I am going to use today is the Maybelline Fit Me 344, which is Home Ginger. That's the one that I am going to use. So I'm going to highlight now with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to set it with the Revlon Candid setting powder. So to contour my loves, I am going to use this contour palette. I got it from Instagram. I do not remember the handle of the person I got it from, and I think it was 250 rand if I'm not mistaken, excluding shipping or delivery, whatever. So yes, so I am going to use this shade to contour, and I'm going to use this shade something like that, and this one Christmosen to contour these two. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use this Rimmel London Lasting Finish Pressed Powder. I'm going to set my face using Maybelline Lasting Fixing Spray. Now I'm moving to eyeliner. On my lashes, I'm going to use this Signature Cosmetic Look Kit eyeliner, and on my waterline, I'm going to use this one as well as this one. So today I'm just applying mascara. I won't be putting any lashes. I'm going to highlight using the Sun-Kissed and Sand Wishes Radiant Glow for Face and Body, my signature brows bronzer. Now I'm going in with my red lipstick, and the brown eyeliner is the Smudge Long Lasting Liquid Matte Lipstick. I'm going in with the red lip liner as well. Okay my loves, this is the end of our tutorial, and I just hope that you have enjoyed creating this very simple step-by-step tutorial with me. And it is on a budget, this one guys, like you'll never go wrong with this one. All you have to do is to put on a bold lip just to make it pop a little bit. As you can see, I am loving the red, of course. So, and if you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I will see you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.